Hello from Slovenia again. Look at this. I got all of these goodies from Chris again to try them on. I don't get paid, you know, from these cups or anything. He just sent me to try them on and provide you with the 50% off coupon code if you want to buy. And you know that before Chris had this Etsy shop, but now he has a new shop for paint pouring supplies, or how can I say, cups and everything, 3D printed supplies. So it's paintpourstore.com. I will put this into the description box too, including the coupon code. And first of all, finally, he made the cups with the holder, or how can I say, and he did this lid, and it doesn't drip anymore, you know, because it's not the shape of, I don't know, it's nicely rounded, so it doesn't drip anymore while you pour. I used one already, and it cleans down really well. You see, I just soak it into the water and then with some brush in, and as you can see, there was no dripping. But this video you will see on Saturday, when I will publish my do's and don'ts with my fellow artist and friend from Netherlands, Rinske Dauna. So don't forget to check our do's and don'ts video on Sunday. And on Saturday is big extravaganza. Don't forget to check our premieres neither, with Massey Art Studio, Mina Villegas, Sarah Mack, and Kathleen from Cos Creations. We are a group that we talk a lot to each other and work with each other. So back to my cups. You see, I have 2, 3, 4, and 5 that I used. 6, 7, 8 chambers cups, and I can't wait to play with them more because I really like them really much. And I have this one, got this one. I didn't try that kind of. I'm really curious. I probably this one will be the next one that I will use. And I got those 3 kind of split cups, you know, that you can, not split cups, open cups that you can play with them. So this one I will try too. And then those 2 babies. No. So you pour paint here, and as you can see, you have a space for, it's kind of a funnel leaky cup, or how can I say, because it has this little funnel, you see, on top to pour your paint in, and it will flow here out. And I have 2 different, you see, ones. Probably this one creates a little different shape than this one, so can't wait to try those 2. So I'm always excited. But today, you know, because I used those flower cups a lot, so Chris designed this one, that it's in 2 floors, or how can I say, 2 floor 2 floor flower shaped, 3D printed flower shaped cup. So obviously I will pour here and it will create some different result, and of course it will flow here in. So I already put my black base coat down. I'm really, I don't know, into this, that I will do a reverse flower dip, and because I still have quite some paints left, those, you know, pearl white mixture and Naples yellow with azo yellow gold, the dip, and extreme sheen gold and greenish blue and permanent red violet that I play with lately. So I will just use those to see, because I know that this color combination is nice, and my string is not big enough, but okay, it will do for helping me kind of find the middle. And I'm really excited to see what will happen. My base coat, you know, it's mixed the same with pouring medium, so like this, like the other paints, so nothing special. Let's see what will happen. Probably I will need to. Okay, and the pearl white. Well, different. And the permanent red violet. Now I have to figure out how much of each paint to pour, because it creates different patterns. And gold. And yellow. Kind of curious how this will work in the flower. Let's do the same what I did on the other one, so I will add this blue next and pearl white. And the purple. I don't know, maybe I will even don't do a reverse dip. I will just use this as my flower. So I will go once more. I will add the blue again. And pearl white again. Because I'm not sure if I will do a reverse dip or I will just stretch this out. And purple, spin it out, I should say. And gold, maybe I did add too much gold at the first round. And yellow. But I'm really curious to see the reverse dip too, so isn't it, I don't know about you, but that's how it is with me when I get new toys to play with. Just don't know what to do first, because I would love to try this and that and everything. Let's blow this a little bit. And I don't know if I will use a skewer right away. Maybe I will leave this first to see what's in the middle. Maybe it will be, you know. So I will leave this one first. This one next. Okay. But I think that I will do a reverse dip today, and we will do another technique on another day. What do you think? So I will just go from here towards the sides, because I kind of think that it will create a little different pattern with the flower dip. Have to grab a towel, paper towel, because I think that I will go towards the middle too. So interesting. Really curious how this will look if I only spin this. But because I said today that I will do a reverse flower, and I have these big bubbles here with my weird squeeze bottles that I will just torch. Normally I don't do that before the napkin, but today I will. So let's grab my paper napkin. And spray it with water. So I will definitely do one just to spin it out, but maybe with a little less of these paints that create lacing, I don't know. So let's place this down as nice as we can. This probably wasn't as nice as I can, but as nice as I can do it today, obviously. Sometimes when you are excited, just maybe, you know, just don't do things. You are not patient enough, maybe, to, I don't know, because I'm so excited to see how this will look. Really am. Maybe it will not make a lot of a difference, but I don't know. So, let's see. Don't mess with me, please. I did an awful job with the lifting part, I can already tell. Not so bad. Wow. Don't know if there is much difference for a flower dip, but definitely I can't wait to try it with just spinning it out. Maybe on some bigger, I don't know, 16 by 16 canvas or something, because probably it would stretch a lot out and it will create something nice, because I think that it was looking quite promising before the napkin. But because I promised that I will do a flower dip, reverse flower dip today, so I didn't. I was tempted to just spin it, but I didn't today. Maybe tomorrow, or maybe tomorrow will be another tool to try on. uh, because I want to try all of them today. It's like Christmas for me when I get those toys. But I love this flower really, really much. Maybe just some few touches in the middle. Or maybe just this one, I don't know. No, I don't like that now. Probably shouldn't have done that. Shouldn't. Should just leave it. Wow. But otherwise, it looks beautiful. These colors together really looks gorgeous every time when I use them, so probably my new favorite thing, new favorite combo to use. So just one little spin maybe, because see a lot of beautiful lacing there, but I'm still not happy with the middle. Have to work a little bit that part. Maybe just okay. It's a little bit on the side, you see. If you see, I didn't do a good job with lifting because I was too excited to do, but to try, but I think that it turned out pretty. Maybe paint does mix a little more. With this cup, but I like it. I really like those this lacing a lot, and you can see underneath of this pearl white. See, maybe my middle is not okay, but I will not be as picky, or how can I say, because otherwise I think that it turned out quite beautiful. So I will definitely try just to spin it, because I can't wait how it will look. And if you want to buy some of those things, please check paintpourstore.com, and you can use my coupon code to have a discount. And see you on the next one. Don't forget to our do's and don'ts with Rinske on Sunday and extravaganza thing on Saturday. And see you on the next one. Bye.